Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy air fryer Toll House cookies with the Nestle Toll House cookies right in your air fryer or your Ninja Foodi. You can do it either way. All you're going to need for this is the package of refrigerated Nestle Toll House cookies along with parchment paper, or you can use a silicone mat that is made for your air fryer. I prefer the silicone mat, but you can do either one. So the first thing you want to do is pull those cookies out of the fridge. Be sure they are super cold. That way they stay together better and they just form a better looking cookie. So these came right out of my fridge. They're ice cold. That's the perfect way to put them in the air fryer. You want to put these on top of the parchment or the silicone mat in the air fryer about an inch apart evenly, just like this. Be sure that the parchment is fully weighted down. So you wouldn't want to have the sides where they're not weighted down or it will blow over on your cookies. So be sure it is fully weighted down. If you're warming up the air fryer for some reason, don't put the parchment paper in there until you are ready to put the food on there. So this is when I did it with the silicone mat. I actually prefer the mat over the parchment paper, but you can use either one. You're going to air fry this at 325 degrees. For about 10 to 13 minutes. Since all air fryers heat differently, you're going to want to check on these around the 10-minute mark. So once those are done, you're going to let them cool in the air fryer for 3 to 5 minutes. And then after that 5 minutes, go ahead and carefully remove them to a wire rack to fully cool. So these are my cookies all ready to go. The one thing I really love about this is that you can actually just make a few of them. You don't have to make the whole package. And then just store the package back in the fridge until you're ready for a few more. So you always get these freshly baked cookies instead of having to make the whole package at once. So that works really well too. So this is how you make easy air fryer Toll House cookies right in your air fryer or your Ninja Foodi. You can find this recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com and airfryerfanatics.com. Thank you so much for joining in today, and be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next video.